Need to change the email address associated with your Amazon account? We're here to help. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to change your Amazon email address. Now let's get started. To begin, go to amazon.com and log into your account using your existing login details. Then click Account and Lists in the top right corner. Select Login and Security. You'll see your current account details, including the email address listed on your account. Click the Edit button beside your email address. Type in the email address you want to switch to, then click Continue. Amazon will send a one-time password to the new email address you've entered. In a new tab, go to your email inbox to find the code Amazon has sent you. Then go back to the Amazon tab and type in the code you received. Click Continue. Now you should see your previous and new email addresses listed. To confirm this change, type in your Amazon password. Then click Save Changes. That's all it takes to change the email address on your Amazon account. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday.